Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not responding. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can cause issues. Next, try restarting both the Roblox application and your entire computer. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Finally, quickly check the official Roblox server status online to confirm there are no widespread outages affecting everyone. These initial checks can save you a lot of time. Outdated software is a common culprit. Make sure your operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS, has all the latest updates installed. Equally important is updating your graphics drivers. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website for the newest versions. Also, always check for any pending Roblox application updates through its launcher. Keeping everything current ensures optimal performance and compatibility, often preventing the not responding error. If updates don't help, try clearing Roblox's temporary files and cache. You can usually find these in your app data folder. A fresh start often works wonders. If the problem continues, a complete reinstallation of Roblox might be necessary. Uninstall it, then download and install the latest version. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications that might be consuming valuable system resources, freeing up power for Roblox. For more persistent issues, consider adjusting Roblox's compatibility settings through its executable file properties. Sometimes, security software can interfere. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall to see if that resolves the problem, but remember to re-enable them afterward. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to Roblox support. They have dedicated teams ready to provide personalized assistance and advanced troubleshooting steps for unique situations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.